Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook truffle mushrooms. First, let's understand these culinary gems. Truffles are unique fungi, celebrated for their powerful, earthy aroma and distinct flavor. They are typically used as a luxurious garnish, shaved paper-thin over a finished dish. To truly appreciate their delicate essence, it is best to use fresh truffles within a few days of purchase, ensuring you capture their peak aromatic intensity. Proper preparation is key to unlocking truffle flavor. Begin by gently brushing any soil from your truffle with a soft brush. Avoid soaking them in water, as this can diminish their precious aroma. For optimal flavor distribution and presentation, use a specialized truffle shaver or a mandoline to create paper-thin slices. Aim for slices that are about 1 millimeter thick to maximize their surface area and aromatic impact. To truly savor the truffle's unique profile, timing is everything. Always add fresh truffles at the very end of your cooking process or shave them directly onto the finished dish, as excessive heat can cause their delicate aroma to dissipate. Truffles bond beautifully with fats, so consider incorporating them into dishes with butter, cream, or olive oil. Simple preparations, such as pasta, eggs, or risotto, allow the truffle to be the star, enhancing the overall experience. To keep your truffles at their best, proper storage is crucial. Wrap each truffle individually in a fresh paper towel and place it in an airtight container in the coolest part of your refrigerator. Remember to change the paper towel every 24 hours to absorb moisture. For the most intense flavor and aroma, aim to enjoy your fresh truffles within 3 to 5 days of acquiring them, ensuring a truly exquisite culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.